Yeah, just a quick update on what I did over the Christmas break. Built this enclosure and got it all cladded with plexi and got a heat controlled fan and a HEPA filter and carbon filter in there, and then it exhausts out the window. So yeah, we're all safe here. And here's my first, I re-leveled the bed, and my first successful rolling print so far on the new setup. And I smell nothing, and it's pretty quiet. I have a filter here, so that's the sound that you hear. And then there's a fan that you can hear, but yeah, it's not bad. Yeah. It looks like on this side. Sorry for the shaky cam. Happy New Year.